You can see your schedule?
No.
How do you, like, do it after you hit the menu button?
How do you do what?
Enter. 4:34.
What happens if you do see schedule?
It just like does the weird thing and doesn't do anything. See?
I'm not scheduled today. What are you doing? It bothers me now.
What are you, Mormon?
Yes, it'll steal my soul.
Don't the Mormons worship a seagull? I think so.
I don't know. All I know is they're crazy. Stop! Bothering me.
Yay, see, she's happy.
Okay.
Aw, how awkward.
I'm starting to rub off on him though.
Why?
I forgot, but like he's starting to do things that I would do, like say weird things.
He looks emo.
What was it today that made me mention it?
You. She's just looking at the ground. She's all happy with her. What are those? Pretzels.
Like Scott.
Pretzels, yes.
Pretzels.
Oh my God.
Yay.
You look like you do.
I've never been in a mosh pit before.
What do you mean?
I went to a Buzz Bake Sale, which is rough.
What the fuck's a Buzz Bake?
Yeah, I forget he's not from around here.
It sounds like biker women cooking. Like
No, it's
Well, they don't know what the Big E is, so.
it's a rough